In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change or add a workspace icon in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and will help give your workspace a personal touch that sets it apart. Whether you're setting it up for a new project or just want to refresh, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Slack, your communication platform. Make sure you're on the latest version for a smoother experience. Once you're there, you'll need to log in. You can do this using your email, a Google account, or an Apple ID, whichever you prefer. After logging in, navigate to the workspace where you'd like to make the change. This is important because Slack can host multiple workspaces, and you'll want to ensure you're in the right place. Once you've landed in your desired workspace, look for the workspace name at the top. Right beside it, there's a little down arrow. Click on this down arrow, and from the drop-down menu, choose Tools and Settings. Once there, select Customize Workspace. This is where all the magic happens. You'll find options to personalize and set preferences for your workspace. In the Customize Your Workspace section, you will see an option for Workspace Icon. This is what we're focusing on today. If there isn't an icon yet, or if you want to add one, click on Upload Image. A file explorer will pop up, and it's time to select your image from your computer. This file should be a square image for the best results. Otherwise, you might need to crop it. If prompted, gently adjust the crop to frame what will look best for your workspace. After you're satisfied with your uploaded icon, make sure to hit Save. This step is crucial to ensure all your hard work doesn't get lost. The changes should appear almost instantaneously, giving your workspace a refreshed look. Now, let's say you want to update or change an existing icon. All you have to do is click on Remove, which will clear the current icon, and then you can repeat the steps we just went through, uploading a new image, cropping if necessary, and saving. And there you have it, a personalized workspace icon in just a few easy steps. A well-chosen icon can make your workspace feel unique and easier to identify. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos.